Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Just another outing. I came out Friday. I came out again on Sunday. And now it's Tuesday, so I've literally been out every other day this week. I didn't come out Monday because I had some job stuff to do. And some other things I had to take care of, so that's why I wasn't, I haven't been, I should have been spending the night, but I hadn't been. Well, it's been a good time for it though. It's been really nice. The sun's been out. Well, you probably have been noticing I've been bringing wood with me. Well, a couple of reasons for it. I had a neighbor lady offer me her firewood, which I gladly accepted. But also, by bringing wood out with me versus having to go out and get it, is I'm not having to cut anything down. Because it's a populated, a lot of people come out here, so everything around me, all the sticks are picked up, anything that's been blown over by the wind is all knocked over. It's all picked up and burned. Pretty much what happens with public campsites that are just first come first serve. People come out and then they use up all the firewood. But also when other people come out, because there's no wood, or everything is all burned up, they will start hacking down trees or cutting down live trees, which I've seen happen. Every limb that's somewhat down to the ground gets pulled off, burnt up. So it's one of the reasons I'm against having a large bonfire, or I'm against bonfires in general, just because they're just a big waste. You're just wasting all that material. You're wasting all the resources in that campground just for your own enjoyment. But it's like, what about the next people? What are they going to end up doing? Well, they're going to end up, like I said, they're going to end up cutting everything down that's small. Whether the tree's alive or not. I'll cut down trees that are standing dead, but those are few and far between. From what I've seen at other campsites, people will go, they don't want to stray far from camp. Cut stuff down right at the, as close to camp as possible. I've got no problem foraging out to get to the dry stuff. I've done it on many outings. Alright. Anyway, just food for thought. Thanks for watching.